Yo, the Black Light. Greetings, and we're gonna keep on. Keep on. Last video, I'm trying to explain the Islam to you. This is not Islam. Islam is not praying 5 times a day. That's a ritual or a tradition. Keep your head. Keep your head in the name of Allah. You know. But you over here, and the brothers over in Saudi Arabia, you know, they got kings over there that's in bed with the Caucasian. Brothers over there killing up each other. Talking about the Christians in sex, and they are in sex. You got the Sunni, the Sufi, you know, uh, Shiite, you know, using American dollars. Gaddafi was one of the brothers that was true to the cause, true to his nature. He turned the desert into an oasis. See, that's what we're supposed to do over here. It's enough of us over here to do that. But see, let me say this. Y'all think you got to go along with the political system over here in order to be recognized by the white man. After all these years, you ain't got you ain't haven't gained any. Matter of fact, you're in worse shape. Look, come to Detroit, man. When it was in the 70s, in the 80s, it was beautiful in Detroit, man. Till the housing crisis hit, where they stole that money. 9/11, they stole some money from the general public. They stealing money every day. You know, got you in a trick bag, and the deepest thing y'all can do is beef on one another. The deepest thing y'all can do is gossip about who's an Illuminati and who ain't Illuminati. You know, at least Marcus Garvey tried. At least Noble Drew Ali tried. But John Elijah Muhammad did it. He did it. They had to wait till he died. Till he died before they could take over control. Because he was a strong brother. See, every now and then we're going to get a weak brother, and he going to bow down to the devil. That's what's happening right now. You got weak brothers all across the board. But they got us boxed in. So this YouTube if used properly, could unite. Now we ain't got to meet up no more, you know, in basements. We ain't got to meet up no more at no hall or at no church. Nothing like that. You know, you just got to tune in to the right brother and know that you could tell who's the right brother if he ain't asking for your money. You know, he could be, you know, now my lights might get cut off. I might not, you know, I mean, I'm barely making it. You know, I'm retired. You know, I'm 72. Thank God I'm in good shape, healthy. You know, when you see me sniffing, that ain't cocaine. That's a sinus problem, hay fever, allergies and stuff. But I'm trying to get rid of that. I'm trying to do mind over matter. I'm tapping into my higher uh, self. See, it's one thing I done found out about me being a musician and a composer of music. I can envision, visualize, different things, And the Caucasian, I see that he tapped in. He's trying to tap into that, that kind of science. But see, we were alchemists. Like Gaddafi was an alchemist. He changed the desert into an oasis. So in our inner cities, we can do the same. Change these rundown houses into a paradise to live in the neighborhoods. Quit running after that money and pull whatever little money you got and keep it in the neighborhoods. Circulate that money in the neighborhoods. Open up a pawn shop, because that's a poor man's bank, you know, and coin, get that, open up coin collecting. And if you're going to go to church, use the church as a credit union or a place where, and have your schools in the church, man. But let your curriculum be black power books. It's read properly. The best black power books it is the Quran, the Torah, and the Bible. If you know how to read it. But a lot of you brothers are caught up into different sects. See, Egyptology and Hebrew and stuff like that. But I don't care, cause y'all recognize that it's a move to control the black man. So let's throw that sect stuff and that uh, club stuff, country club stuff aside for right now and pull our resources, together by using this YouTube. Do you realize that if we're on the same vibration, it's the same as a prayer? And if we all envision ourselves as being the rulers of the planet, it'll happen overnight in a twinkling of an eye. The more, as many of us that can do this, that's how quickly it will happen. So I believe if we got 144,000, just 144,000, that envision our black selves as rulers and controlling the destiny of the planet Earth, and we'll have peace on Earth, I believe it'll happen overnight. This is Black Light. Have a peaceful night's rest and an early morning rise.